Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Form 2 exam revision, first time exam revision. Now we were done until here in the previous video. Let's go back to the previous pages. Okay, I'm going back a little more. Yes, I think yes. So this will be on page 10. Let's go to page 10. Okay, here we have to do factorize. Do you still remember the difference between the factorize and expansion? Factorization, in the end you need to have brackets. Expansion, in the end there shall be no brackets. So how can we turn this into factorization then? How can we turn this into brackets? Well, factorize. So you have to find their factors. The factors of these numbers were 6 and 3. Any common factors do they have? Anything common between this? How is 6 made? 3 times 2. How is 3 made? 3 times 1. So is there any numbers that's common between these two? Common means same. So yes, 3. So we take that out. What is left at the back? 3 times what of those 6x? Yes, 2. What do we do with the x? Just keep it there. Nothing. And then 1 there. Now this one, why we did not take the x out? I will tell you in a while. Before that, do this question. Anything common between these two numbers? Yes, of course, there is 4. So you take that out. What is left? 4 times 2, and there's a y, and then 4 times 1. 4 times 2 becomes 8. 4 times 1 becomes 4. Okay, until with these two questions, good. How about this? Now here, be very careful. The numbers first. Number common is, what do they both have? 3. How about the unknowns? Because this time they both are having the x's. This one is having x square. X square means x times x. So there are the x's here, and this is just 1x. So what's the common? What's that they both have it at least? They at least have 1x. So we take one of the x's out. Okay? So we are taking the 3x out. We already took the 3 out. 3 times 1 is 3. How about the x's? We just took 1. So any x left? Yes, 1 more is left. How about this 9? We took the 3 out of it. So 9 divided by 3, or 3 times what is 9? 3. How about the x? We already took 1 out. So is there anything left? Nope. So that is your answer. Cool? If yes, then of course you continue doing the questions. This one. Numbers first. Any numbers that's common? How about the any unknowns that's common? Numbers first. 4. Yes, they both can be divided by 4. How about the unknowns? Yep, only 1x. What is left? You took out the 4. 4 divided by 4. 1. How about the x? Any x left? Yes, 1 of the x left. Okay, 12 divided by 4. 4 times what is 12? 3. Any x left? No, we already took 1. So that's the end. Cool. Let's continue doing more questions then. Here, 8m plus 4. Is there any number that's common? Yep. So what is left? Any unknowns? Because this one is having m, this one is not. So there's nothing unknown as common. So we continue that. So 4 times what is 8? 2. There's still an m left. 4 times 1. Cool. This looks very similar to the previous one, right? So you know the trick, right? So you know what's the exam question, right? Smart kids. Here, what's the number first? And then what's the unknown? Number common is 5. Unknown common is x. So what is left out there? You took the 5 out already. Just 1x left. And then 3. Cool? Good. Continue. Let's continue. Let's not wait for the others. Right. We don't have much left actually. I'm just trying to do half of the revision worksheets so that you can at least have a basic pass, right? Pass means 50 marks, okay? Not 40. And of course you have 40 marks from MC, 40 marks from 30 marks from short question, and 30 marks from long question, something like that. Oh, actually I forgot. Okay, let's continue this one. Numbers first. Any numbers common? Yes, 4. Any unknowns common? Nah. So let's leave it there. 4 times what is 12? 4 times 3. So x still left. And the 4 times what is 4? 1. And then this side, anything common? Numbers first. Yay! How about the unknowns? Yes, of course. So numbers 3. Unknowns y. What is left? Good. See, it's so much similar, right? So you know the answer. I mean, the unknowns will be different, of course. So last one. So any numbers first? Any unknowns? Nah, this one does not. This one does. So you take the 5 out. What is left? 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Y plus 5 times 1 is 5. And then here was the unknown. Numbers first. 3. How about the unknowns? Yes. So a plus 3. Easy. Any difference between these two? Just the unknowns, right? So you know the answer. You know the question in exam will be which one? I mean, it's not gonna be A and Y. It could be something else. Okay, shh, don't tell the others. Anyways, let's continue the rest in next video. See you guys soon. Allah Hafiz.